The Great Smoky Mountains, a name that conjures images of mist-shrouded peaks, verdant forests, and cascading waterfalls. Straddling the border of Tennessee and North Carolina, this majestic mountain range is a sanctuary for nature enthusiasts and a testament to the raw beauty of the Appalachian Mountains. The park's namesake, the smoky haze that often cloaks its peaks, is a natural phenomenon. Volatile organic compounds released by the abundant vegetation create this ethereal blue mist, lending the mountains an air of mystery